Now, when it comes to your body position, you need to make sure that you are in a good position to breathe into your recorder. You're going to need to sit up straight because your lungs are here, so you don't want to be all slouched because then you don't have enough air. Also, you don't want to be on your knees with your recorder because, again, you're slouched over and you're not able to get the breath that you need. You need to sit up straight. You may even want to sit on your shoes like you're on your knees for that. And then your elbows should be just hanging loosely, nice and relaxed at your side. When you position your holes, be aware of where your elbows are. Sometimes I see people with chicken wings like this. Make sure your elbows are nice and relaxed. Your hands should be hugging those holes. Be aware that when you move your fingers around, make sure that your arm stays relaxed. Okay? Your chin should be up. Your recorder should be pointed at a 45-degree angle. All right? And then your mouth should be right here at the tip. Here's where it should be. It should be as dry as possible. Left hand on top. Your right thumb should be right here in between these two holes here. Okay, so your right hand should never be here or here. It should be right here between these two holes. Okay?